Hi guys, I hope y'all are doing well. I just wanted to quickly show you my Ninja Bullet. So this blender is for single use kind of only, so it's good for like quick smoothies and stuff like that. I just finished working out, so I'm gonna make a quick smoothie. So basically this is what it looks like. This is the base. I plugged it in already. And it's just like it's a pulsing type system. So this is the cup that you will use. These are the blades that will, you know, obviously make the smoothie, like I'm saying make the smoothie, but like, you know, kind of blend it all together. I'm like at a loss of words today. And this is the container. Let me get my smoothie mix. I feel like because I'm making this on camera, I'm totally gonna like spill something. Yeah, this is, here we go. Ignore the mess, guys. And then I add orange juice to my smoothies. I don't know about you guys, but that's what I do. It's like I don't want to add the rest of it, but I'll just leave it. I'm just kind of smushing it with this little blade to make sure it's all in there before I close it. I would hate to have an explosion or something if it's not properly closed. Definitely make sure you seal it shut because I have done it partially and it has like blown like out when I did this. Okay, super tight. Attach to the base and you pulse. And that's pretty much it. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna do a few more pulses just to make sure. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's it. As you saw, it took like 30 seconds. That's the smoothie. So it blends really well. And then, oh, I told you guys I was gonna make a mess because I'm filming. But this part, so I hand wash everything. It's super easy. It cleans up very nicely. Definitely soak the top. Sorry, the cup, and that's pretty much it. Super easy to use. I use it pretty much every day, so I love it. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and if you decide to buy it, definitely let me know how it turns out for you all. Thank y'all.